Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a very low mileage 2009 GMC Sierra SLE extended cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z9992X. Only 42,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. Midnight blue metallic in color. The Sierra seats 6. Cloth interior. Not really low miles, but very clean inside and out. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. Matching fiberglass cab. The Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection. Rear parking sensors for additional safety. And trailering package. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start. Extended cab doors on both sides of the truck. Power windows, locks, mirrors, integrated trailer brake control. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 42,000 miles. Tilt wheel, cruise control. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Easy to operate radio and CD player with auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices, heating and air conditioning, and power adjustable pedals, great for shorter drivers. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. Otherwise up and out of the way for a middle passenger with even more storage underneath. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, the Sierra has a 5.3 liter V8, 315 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles to the gallon and a city average of 19 on the highway. And ready to go with new brakes. For more information on this Sierra, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.